First day of the communion from Calitzdorp to Maatjies Vlei. Officially known as the Klein Karoo route, is a 7-day, 141 kilometers spiritual and scenic walking journey through the rugged beauty of Southern Africa's Klein Karoo region. It begins at the Dutch Reformed Church in Calitzdorp and concludes at the Zebra Church in the Klipdrift area situated between Oudtshoorn and George. The trail meanders through diverse landscapes, including semi-arid plains, rolling hills, and mountain vistas, offering walkers a chance to connect deeply with nature and local culture. The Pelgrims covers approximately 20 kilometers per day, allowing for manageable pace that accommodated reflection and appreciation of the surroundings they're walking in. The 5 pelgrims on this Camino is Tersia Stolz, Hannetjie Dalton, Heidi van Wyk, Herwel Krige and Christina Vermeulen.
En ek kom met 'n spoed.
It's time to take some pictures of this beautiful green valley of the Klein Karoo, where we are on our Calitz Camino. It is over halfway, time for a well-earned break, taking in nature and surroundings, getting our breath back, rest our feet for a while, yes, on our bums, on the side of the road, before taking on the rest of the journey to our overnight place. After our well-deserved break next to the road, we came on this way across this school with the friendliest principal and staff. We was welcome with a banner. It tells us about the school and the surroundings and how lucky they are to be teachers at this school with the surroundings of beautiful hills and nature, and how is the children all in good spirit all the time. We eat our lunch packs, time flies, and we take a picture together with the principal, and it was time again to say thanks and goodbye for our last stretch to our guest house. On our way with full tummies, tired bodies and sore feet, there was some time for laughter as well. Nee Heidi and Eswel, we don't talk out. What happens on the Camino road will stay on the Camino road.
Aan.
Ik heb nog nooit gespoefieslight. Het is te kort. Ik trek hem af. Spring! 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 Nu kom je af. Ja, iemand moet hem kom vasthouden. Ja, kom. Christina, blij jij? Je kan niet optellen nie. Je ziet? Iemand kom op. In die lengte. Jy val hier af, hoor. Dan gaan ek kan klim. Waar kan ek my voete neerkry? Jy moet ook eerder vashou. Jump! Ja!
Ah, sy.
Sy. Hou nou die tou vas. Hou vas. Dis nat. Nat. Dit kan goed kry.
Of hoeveel slide wil ons ry? Jy moet net nie los nie.
Jy moet hom vasknyp. Lig jy op been, Christina. Eina! Ons het toe
Dis also video, hoor. Ek noem maar net, julle is op kamera, hoor.
Ja, push. Het jy dit nou gehoor?
Nee, nie, ons niks gehoor nie.
Dis die selfoon is dit. Op die gou.
Go.
Ja, push.
Tiring but happy faces after the first leg of the Camino. Douglas Huys, Tiaard Huys and Oude Huys se kloofhuis, providing comfortable and opportunities to engage with the Klein Karoo community. What a beautiful, breathtaking view from our overnight stays at the Kloof House, Tiaard House. Kies vlei, feet itching but spirits soaring. We shared stories over the Karoo supper, the day's dust still on our boots, and the kind of quiet that only a long walk can earn. Day 2, 21.5 kilometers between Maatjiesvlei and Groenfontein. The nature between Maatjiesvlei and Groenfontein in the Klein Karoo, South Africa is among the most serene and ruggedly beautiful in the region. This area lies west of Calitzdorp and form part of the semi-arid yet ecologically rich transition zone between the Swartberg Mountains and the Little Karoo Plains. The landscape and terrain is rolling hills, deep kloofs, gorges and dry riverbeds define the terrain. The Gamkasberg and Swartberg range offer dramatic backdrops with seasonal streams carving through the valley. Gravel roads meander between bush-curved hills and open plains. The flora, then part of the succulent Karoo biome, one of the world's biodiversity hotspots, home to aloe species, spekbos, euphorbia, and a dazzling array of spring wildflowers after good rain. Vygies and other small succulents carpet the landscape in bursts of color during the bloom seasons.
Maar die Swartberge voor julle. Kan je vanaf aan die Swartberg heel tijd hier. En dan is het of voor of langs van je.
Op pad Groenfontein toe en hier gaan ons oor pragtige watertjies. Wat ruik julle nou?
Mint.
Nou, hy ruik nog mintplantjie.
Hij is sterk. Hij is sterk, ja. Maar die
En dis die paadjie waarvan af ons kom.
The fauna, kudu, klipspringers and steenbok roam the hills. Bird life is abandoned. Look for sunbirds, black eagles, Karoo larks and the Cape sugarbird. Reptiles like agamas, tortoises and geckos are commonly seen in the basking of the sun. Climate, semi-arid, hot, dry summer and cool crisp winters. Clear skies dominate, offering stunning stargazing. The Milky Way often shines brilliant at night. Culture, landscapes, old farm and historical homesteads, like those in Maatjiesvlei and Groenfontein, blend into the land. Dry stone walls, wind pumps and shaded stoops, verandas speak to the regional rural heritage. Walking under the trees on the Calitzdorp Camino is a deeply peaceful experience, one that combines the rugged beauty of the Klein Karoo with moments of unexpected shade and serenity. You'll smell dusk, dry bark, and maybe wild herbs like the Karoo bossies. Moregrace Farm is a charming destination nestled in the Groenvlei Valley near the Calitzdorp, South Africa, Klein Karoo. This farm offers visitors a unique blend of craft beer, wine, and the serene beauty of the Karoo landscape. At the heart of the Moregrace Farm is the Karoo Doring Brewing Company. Kraal Doring Breweries Company operates as a microbrewery producing a selection of craft beers that reflect the character of the Klein Karoo, while specific beers, varieties, and tasting notes are not detailed in the available sources. The brewery is known for its artisanal approach to brewing, offering visitors a chance to savor unique flavors craft with care. Kraal Doring Brewing Company offers breakfast and dinners for travelers as well that passing by. Leaving Kraal Doring breweries behind, with a taste of local craft still lingering, the path winds through the open Klein Karoo, dry fynbos, aloe, and low ridges forming the route. As you draw near to Groenfontein, the Swartberg mountain begins to rise, casting long shadows in the late afternoon light. Then as the trail dips into the Groenvlei Valley, you'll see the familiar white cables of Ou Piet se huis.
Nee, ek het gecheat, ek het nie die hele pad geloop nie. Nee, dis cheat.
Ou Piet se huis, nestled among the trees, your sanctuary for the night. It's a moment of quiet victory, the cool porch, the flick of the kettle on a gas flame, the first sip of something cold, and the sound of nothing but birds and wind. It's a stillness that settled deeper than silence. The dust has cooled, boots lie untouched by the door, the work done. The wind moves gently through the acacia leaves, not pushing, just past. Your body hymns with memory of distance, 20 kilometers of gravel, shade, sun and fort, but now the road is behind you. Quick phone call to safety our loved ones. We are safe, we made it, day 2. And the place we're gonna nestle tonight is on Oupa Piet and Klein Baas are 2 charming self-catering cottages located on the Groenfontein Guest Farm, nestled in the picturesque Groenfontein Valley near Calitzdorp in South Africa, Klein Karoo. These cottages offer a tranquility retreat with stunning views of the Swartberg Mountains. Oupa Piet Cottage sleeps up to 6 guests, 3 bedrooms, 2 with double beds and 1 with 2 single beds, 1 bathroom equipped with a bath and shower, kitchen fully equipped with a gas stove and a fridge, comfortable sitting with a TV feature local channels. Amenities: solar-powered electricity, warm water bottle and gas heaters for chilly nights, braai barbecue facilities with firewood provided, linen and towels included, Wi-Fi available at the reception